Okay, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my headlights. I have restored them. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so before I had used a buffer and I was buffing it and I let the sander or the buffer stay on there too long and it melted the foam onto the headlight and it looked pretty bad. And then I tried to sand it off and it looked even worse. So what I ended up doing, I went to Home Depot and got 220 grit, 400 grit, and 1000 grit sandpaper. And I started off with the 220 grit and then with toothpaste on there too. I put the toothpaste on first and then used the 220 grit. And then I put a little bit of water on it and then did the 400 grit. And then I did a little bit more water for 1000 grit with the toothpaste on there still. And then I rinsed all that off. And then I polished it out using a drill attachment. You can get that drill attachment at your local AutoZone. It's going to be a sphere. It looks like a circle or sphere of foam, and you put on it into your drill, and then it works as like a polisher or whatever. Yeah, but then I got a compound. I think it's called Plasti X or something like that from AutoZone. And I polished it and put some more on there. Polished it, rinsed it off in between. Did that for at least about 10-15 times on each side until it looked pretty good, just like that. And then I went and got some gloss clear coat. I'll show y'all a picture of the can. And I believe you can get that at like Walmart or something like that. And I sprayed that on there after it looked all good. And it really brings out the shine and it protects it. And as far as I know, it seals it. So yeah, like basically my headlights look brand new. You can still see a little imperfections in like the actual ends part because of little minor cracks and stuff like that from age. But other than that, like they're basically like brand new looking right now. So yeah, I was just coming to let you guys know how I did that and everything, because I know a lot of these cars, they have that common issue with the age. And everyone that's ever tried to buy headlights for these cars, you're always going to be spending like $1,000 or a couple thousand for some nice looking headlights, or even factory headlights. So yeah, I thought that'd be a really helpful tip for you guys. So yeah, more updates on the tune will be coming very soon. So if you like my channel, like this video, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.